Imagine guests are on their way and your living room looks like a storm just passed through. What if I told you that in just 15 minutes, you can make your living room look spotless and welcoming? Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share some quick and effective cleaning tips for your living room. These are simple methods that save time while still leaving your space fresh, organized, and presentable. Quick cleaning means targeting the visible mess and high traffic areas first, focusing only on what creates the biggest impact in the shortest amount of time. Step-by-step practical guide 1. Start by picking up clutter like cups, toys, or magazines and placing them in a basket. 2. Fluff and straighten your sofa cushions and throw blankets. 3. Wipe down coffee tables and side tables with a microfiber cloth. 4. Quickly dust TV screens, shelves, and decor items. 5. Vacuum or sweep only the main walking areas. 6. Finish with a room spray or open a window for fresh air. Tools explain microfiber cloth for dusting and wiping surfaces. Multi-purpose spray for tables and glass surfaces. A handheld or stick vacuum for quick floor cleaning. A storage basket for fast decluttering. Quick tips always: keep a basket handy to collect clutter in seconds. Use pre-moistened wipes for glass and table surfaces when you're short on time. Focus on eye-level areas because that's what guests notice first. Cost: compare a decent microfiber cloth costs around $2 to $3 and lasts for months. A handheld vacuum may cost between $50 to $100, but it saves you a lot of effort in daily cleaning. Overall, quick cleaning is inexpensive compared to deep cleaning services, which can cost $80 to $150 per session. Clutter collection gives cushion reset, gives surface wipe, gives quick dust, gives floor clean, gives fresh air or spray. Professionals notice these quick methods are not a substitute for deep cleaning, but they're perfect for everyday upkeep and surprise visits. Always schedule a proper deep clean weekly to maintain hygiene and prevent dust buildup. So remember, start with clutter, fix the sofa, wipe down surfaces, dust, clean the floors, and refresh the air. In just 15 minutes, your living room will feel inviting again. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who always has surprise visitors, and subscribe for more quick home care solutions.